having Jollibee. So we have 4 drinks, but I'm only gonna take one. Some are for my parents too. Got Coke right here. Let's get straw. Let's open the straw later. And let's see what we have. Paper plates, but I already have a plate. Put that in the corner. Tissues. Yes, we need a bunch of fork and spoons. I'm going to only use the fork and spoon for the rice. And 6-piece chicken. I don't know if it's spicy. There's so much. More straws. My straw. I guess I'll get a new one. Okay. The new. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's enough. First, I'm gonna go in 1. I have to go higher. Oh, here's the fries. Get that up. I accidentally broke it. Right here. There's the fries. Let me try. Ooh, it's actually yummy. Big gravy. What is it? Oh, biscotti. This is for my parents. Oh yeah, biscotti. And this is, I think, the beef. I think this is the beef. Let's see. Yeah, this is the beef. There's so much stuff in my table. Okay, right here. Gravy. Here comes the big boys. Wow! Chicken. There. Okay. Cover. Woo! There's a couple of spicy ones. There's also another meal right here. Okay. There's some spices. The red ones. And I also missed this in the Philippines. And also, I had this before and I want it again. So first, let's put sanitizer. Okay, right here, sanitizer. For the coronavirus. Okay. Back. Wrap it well. I have a sugar, so actually not. Doesn't hurt at all. So I like the legs the most. These right here. Ooh. I don't like the taste spicy. The 3 pieces are spicy. I need tissue now. Okay. Tissue. They almost fall. Woo. Now let's open the rice. It's like folded in a burger. I told you guys it's not a burger. It's rice. It's rice. This. Okay. This. Whoop. So time for the gravy. Because okay, get my gravy. Just got her opening it. First, I'm going to chicken. Let's get another of the really good. Before in the Philippines, I eat Jollibee. I think I was like 1 or 2 years old. I just like the fries so much. It's really good. The chicken is really hard to chew, especially for this, but the inside is okay. I can't open that. Sorry, it's open this. Before, this was my most favorite fast food. Because of the biscotti now. Because of the chicken. That it's so good. Oh, it's actually and it's my baby. I dropped on my pants. Okay, put it there. All done with one. Okay, time to get another. This one. This one. Another leg. This is so crunchy. Really good. Okay, let's get the inside first. And then, it's really hard too. It's actually really hard. I took a big bite. So, next mukbang is going to be KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. I think that's what it's called. Before I couldn't pronounce it, like Kentucky Fried Chicken, like that. feeling quite full now. I'm feeling a little full now. Oh, it's dripping! Oh no. I just think it like this. When I finish my rice, I'm gonna be done. Just wait because I'm gonna wash my hands. And that's all for Mukbang Part 3. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.